Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to AppSex online pre-coaching classes for upcoming class 9. It's the video lecture for second week of pre-coaching classes. Chapter number 5, subject chemistry, prepared by Maryam Qureshi. Textbook chemistry, page number 83 to 87, unit number 5, physical states of matter. Topic which I will discuss in this video lecture are Boyle's law and Charles' law. Objectives. By the end of the lesson, students, you will be able to know about Boyle's law and Charles' law. Our first topic is Boyle's law. Boyle's law was proposed by scientist Robert Boyle in the year 1662. Statement: Boyle's law is a gas law which states that the pressure exerted by a gas is inversely proportional to the volume occupied by it at a constant temperature. Keep in mind, at a constant temperature. It is the condition for the Boyle's law. In other words, the pressure and volume of a gas are inversely proportional to each other, as long as the temperature and the quantity of a gas are kept constant. Now, what does it mean? According to scientist Robert Boyle, the pressure and volume of a gas are inversely related to one another. When we increase pressure, volume will decrease, because the empty spaces among the gas molecules decrease. As a result, the volume will decrease. And when we decrease pressure, volume will increase, because more space will be available for the gas molecules and they will move far apart from each other. Scientist Robert Boyle also gives us a mathematical expression for pressure and volume of a gas at a constant temperature. Mathematical expression. For a gas, the relationship between volume and pressure at a constant mass, means at a constant concentration, and temperature can be expressed mathematically as follows. P is inversely related to V, where P is the pressure exerted by the gas and V is the volume occupied by a gas. The above equation can be converted into an equation by adding a constant K. P is equals to K 1 over V, or you can write it as PV is equals to K. This equation shows the mathematical expression of the Boyle's law. Now look at the given below pictures. In the first picture, you can see that the volume occupied by a gas is 5 dm cube at 1 atm pressure and 300 degrees centigrade temperature. In the second picture, you can see that the volume occupied by a gas is less than 3 dm cube at 2 atm pressure and 300 degrees centigrade temperature. Here you can see that when we change the pressure from 1 atm to 2 atm, the volume occupied by a gas decreases. In both cases, the temperature is constant, which is 300 degrees centigrade. So at a constant temperature, when we increase the pressure, the volume decreases. And when we decrease the pressure, the volume increases. So this is the experimental picture of the Boyle's law. Come towards Charles' law. Charles' law was an empirical relation which was first suggested by a French physicist J.A.C. Charles in 1787. Statement: This law states that the volume occupied by a fixed amount of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature if the pressure remains constant. It means that there is a direct relationship between volume of a gas and temperature. When we increase the temperature, the kinetic energy of the gas molecules increase. they will move with a greater speed and exert more pressure and move far apart from one another. As a result, the volume of a gas will increase. And when we decrease temperature, the kinetic energy of the gas molecules decrease. They move with a lesser speed. As a result, they will exert less pressure and come close to each other, and the volume of a gas will decrease. But keep in mind, it will happen only at a constant pressure. Mathematical expression. For a gas, the relationship between volume and temperature at a constant mass and pressure can be expressed mathematically as follows. V is directly proportional to T, means temperature, at a constant pressure. This proportionality can be converted into an equation by adding a constant K. So the above equation will be V is equals to KT. Or you can also write it as V by T is equals to K. This equation show the mathematical form of Charles' law, where V is the volume, T is the absolute temperature, and K is the proportionality constant. Look at the given below pictures. In the first picture, you can see that the volume occupied by a gas is 3 dm cube at 1.5 atm pressure and 250 degrees centigrade temperature. In the second picture, you can see that the volume occupied by a gas is 5 dm cube at 1.5 atm pressure and 450 degrees centigrade temperature. Here you can see that when we increase the temperature from 250 to 450 degrees centigrade, then the volume occupied by a gas increases from 3 dm cube to 5 dm cube. This shows that there is a direct relationship between volume and temperature. When we increase the temperature, the volume of a gas increases, but at a constant pressure. Here the pressure is 1.5 atm, which is the same in both cases. Means that pressure is constant in both cases. This is the experimental verification of the Charles' law. Recap. Students, in this tutorial, we have learned about Boyle's law, effect of pressure on volume of a gas, that how the pressure and volume of a gas are related to one another, Charles' law, and effect of temperature on volume. Tasks assigned. Solve self-assessment 5.1 and self-assessment 5.2. Okay students, stay safe, blessed and happy. Thank you.